Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by loading the 3D figure, import an obj/fbx, or use the app's mannequin. Once loaded, place the camera where you want the composition, change focal length to match your reference. Make sure the 3D layer is unlocked and visible, then create a new file layer above it for tracing. This immediate layering prevents accidental edits to the model and lets you block in forms fast, so you can focus on posing rather than setup. Now dive into posing. Select individual bones and manipulate rotation and translation. Use numeric fields when you need exact angles. Once done, enable inverse kinematics for hands and feet to position end effectors quickly, then use the mirror pose function to copy symmetry. Make sure to adjust joint limits and tweak the pelvis and torso to convey weight. This prevents stiff limbs. As you refine, zoom, and check silhouettes, good poses hold up at small sizes and across angles. Finish by locking the 3D layer and lowering its opacity to serve as a subtle guide. On a vector or raster layer above, trace the silhouette and major planes, simplify forms before adding details, and correct anatomy as you go. Once done, toggle the 3D layer off to judge the standalone drawing and make final line weight and shading decisions. If something looks off, reset the bone transform or use the pose history to step back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.